Hey guys, this is going to be a quick video about this new plugin I made. It just simply executes a script. This is useful if you have like a few scripts lying around that actually do something and you want to execute those really quickly without doing like a load string or some other method in the command bar. So all you do is press enter and then there you go. Oops. And this supports undo and redo, and it'll tell you down here. If I redo it, it'll tell you that has upheld the execution, so redid it. Um, this is also useful because this will only show if that change did something in the viewport. For example, if I drag this blick around, it has nothing to do with me executing these scripts. I execute the script, which literally just prints something. You can see here. I undo. It doesn't undo anything related to this because nothing happened in the viewport besides me dragging this around. So Roblox will actually drop that waypoint with what's it called? We'll drop that waypoint internally. And one little caveat you should note is you need to be focused in the viewport in order to press enter, because if you pressed it while focused in this area right here, well, you open the script because you press enter. So that's why you see me drag my camera around just to quickly gain focus in the viewport. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoy this plugin or find some use with it. I actually find a lot of use personally, but I might be an idiot. So if you're an idiot like me, enjoy it. See you guys.